Hello there and welcome to bnettv.com. I'm Michelle Sklar. We're down here at the CTIA Wireless IT Entertainment Show in San Francisco, and I am joined by Justin Hayward of Telnic. Thank you so much for taking the time to speak with us today.
It's a pleasure. Thank you for having us.
Absolutely. Give us a brief overview of your company.
Okay, well, Telnic is the registry operator for the new top-level domain dotTel. Now, everybody knows top-level domains like .com host websites. We do something very, very different with the internet and with domain names. Effectively, you can apply for your own domain name as an individual or a business and store all your contact information underneath it on the internet, under your control. Nobody else gets your contact information if you don't want to share it. So effectively, it's your kind of communications hub.
Right. So, in other words, I don't have to have the information stored on my computer.
That's right.
So it's stored virtually. In other words, it's not going to occupy all the stored space on my computer that I need for my photos or my videos or other files or that type of thing.
Absolutely. And also, it doesn't get stored on anybody else's web servers. So you retain the rights and the privacy of your contact information.
Right. And you said it was personal. I noticed, I'm going to have you turn around here. You have Justin.tel. So that's basically how it would work. I could have Michelle.tel.
Exactly.
Kind of has a nice ring to it, actually.
Yes, or you could have CTIA.tel or any other company.tel, and you can use it either to store personal contact information, any type of way in which you can be contacted, or a business can expose their service for customers in any particular way so that it suddenly becomes easy to access that information on any device, not just the PC, but any device, including mobiles.
Right, and that was actually going to be the next thing I was going to point out. You don't have to develop for specific devices. You can be very neutral that way, if you will, because people are coming to you to access the information, if you will. Exactly,
yeah. Just like you would type in any type of .com or .net or .information website, you go and type in Justin.tel in a browser, and it brings back the information that I have allowed you to see over the internet. Now, I can privatize some of that information and only share it on a one-to-one basis with my friends or my colleagues. But absolutely, it doesn't just have to be a PC. You can also download it in any browser on any phone or mobile device.
Right. Now, I'm assuming you probably want, the public, the audience here to hop on board and do this right away, because Justin.tel is obviously taken.
Not yet, no. This is just for demonstration purposes.
Okay.
So we're actually launching in February next year, February the 3rd. Anybody can actually apply for a .tel at that time. 2 months prior to that, anybody with a trademark, a business with a trademark of national effect, can apply and protect their brand. But come February the 3rd, anybody can buy their own .tel.
Excellent. So how did you determine where the problem in the market was that this was a solution for?
Right. Well, I mean, I guess there are two aspects to this. First is the individual aspect, the person who maybe wants to promote themselves but is finding it hard to navigate through all of the social media channels, the mobile numbers traveling around the world, and being very hard to discover and find. So one of the things was we wanted to provide people with a communications hub that would enable people to get in touch with that person through their preferred method of communication. From a business perspective, we're being told that effectively this will kind of replace the white or yellow pages services that cost the thousands and thousands of dollars for individual small business owners to promote themselves in, with one global accessible directory that anybody can access at a fraction of the price of a traditional listing.
Okay, so in other words, if I want to, this isn't just about me accessing my information. bnettv.com or .tel.
Yep.
So people want to access information.
Yep.
For BNet TV, they would also go to that URL and they would get sort of contact-oriented information.
Absolutely. Yeah, it's about contact and interaction. We're trying to take the friction out of communication. So depending on the device that you're actually accessing this from, it may be a mobile device, and you don't want to download a .com website on that. You want to go to an M.dot or a .mobi site, and so this is really exposing all of the ways that you can interact with that organization, anything from viewing information online to picking up the phone and talking to customer services.
Right, perfect. What's going to be next for dotTel?
Right, well, the first objective obviously is to get people to start using it. The second is to really fire up the developer community, and what we've done already is developed some applications for the BlackBerry, for Microsoft Outlook and Windows Mobile, so that you can actually suck the .tel information directly down into your address book, and that makes the address book move from a static to a live environment, which really reinvigorates its functionality. So we can see a lot of application development going on around that, but also the fact that you can store location-based information in there, meaning that you get suddenly a fantastic personal experience delivered to you, but it's under your control because it talks underneath your domain.
Right. Awesome, Justin. Thank you so much for joining us. We've been speaking with Telnic's Justin Hayward, and we're here at the CTIA Wireless IT Entertainment Show in San Francisco. I'm Michelle Sklar with BNetTV.com.